Sleep Burn Review. Does Dan Garner's program really work? The Eat Sleep Burn provides a regimen to cater for both women and men, which is one aspect that many weight loss programs fail to offer. What's more surprising about this fat-burning regimen is that it includes very little about the kind of diet one should follow. This is because this program is designed in a manner that people will naturally change their eating habits because of reduced appetite and better body health. Sticking to a healthy lifestyle entails more than just doing exercises and changing your eating habits. When you are healthy, stress decreases, and it becomes easier to relax. With Eat Sleep Burn, you will benefit from an unconventional weight loss regime that will not require you to necessarily change your eating habits. Although this is a solid program, there are some drawbacks. In this review of Eat Sleep Burn, we'll take a look at the program, how it works, and the pros and cons. What is Eat Sleep Burn? Eat Sleep Burn is an easy-to-follow regime which activates your muscle building and fat-burning potential overnight. The program was written by Dan Garner and Todd Lamb. Todd Lamb is a diet and fitness expert with the knowledge and credentials to offer advice on matters weight loss and nutrition. With this system, you will witness tremendous body changes where you can always wake up every morning with a sense of rejuvenation. What's more important is that this program will give you some cutting-edge information on how you can quickly transform your lifestyle by leveraging the power of good sleep. This weight loss program gives your body the most potent force and helps it unlock its maximum potential. Most of these transformations take place at a molecular level when you are deep asleep. How does it work? The Eat Sleep Burn regime is an easy, step-by-step program which you can use to reverse any lousy health issues. By sticking to this system, you will be helping your body function correctly and be a step closer to restoring your body's health. This method is also good because it helps in healing the body from any destruction brought about by poor sleep. It's an easy 2-minute trick that helps trigger the removal of hazardous cancer cells overnight. There are unbelievable ways to which sleep helps in gaining lean muscle and losing belly fat explored in this product. And it makes every hormone in the body unlock your full burning potential and rejuvenate all the body processes. By using this product, you'll realize that with good sleep, you will witness proven benefits that aid in improving your overall body health. The sequential shutdown method. One of the fat-burning methods highlighted in this program is the sequential shutdown program. This technique usually works by burning the ugly belly fat, building your lean body muscles, and fighting any diseases lurking within the body. All you need to do is have a sufficient sleep, and you will get the slim and healthy body you've always deserved. The sequential shutdown method focuses on deactivating the wrong body systems and activating the methods that will help you get enough sleep and good body health. And with many people often having to deal with insomnia, this method can help you have a good rest by activating all your body cells, as described here, and facilitating lean muscle building. Positive and negative reviews. Just like any other product, this program is marred with advantages and disadvantages as well, both of which we shall look at. The good. This program provides freedom for losing weight and having growing energy and good health. It will transform every aspect of your life in a positive way. This level is easy to follow and understand. You will quickly shed the unwanted calories in just a few days. This is a program that focuses on your overall well-being. Promotes cellular growth and reduces chronic inflammation. It boosts your body's metabolism so that you eat more and still shed the extra calories the bad. This program is not available offline. A bit expensive. You will need to be patient to see some real transformation since this isn't a magical fix. Where can you buy the product? If you are looking to try this weight loss program, you can buy it from the Eat Sleep Burn official website. It comes in a PDF form. Fortunately enough, this product comes with a 60-day money-back guarantee, so in case you're not impressed by it, you could ask for a full refund. Does Eat Sleep Burn really work? The Eat Sleep Burn program seems to be based on some solid, scientific research and offers an easy-to-follow regimen that anyone can use to make healthy lifestyle changes that will help you lose weight, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall well-being. This is a tried and tested weight loss program that works in favor of all your weight loss desires. You will achieve your weight loss goals in a short period and without much struggle.